Hey there, it's Mark. I showed you this Peanuts pop culture case, or I should say box set. That's a case. This is a box set. Had 5 singles. Now I showed them on camera like this, you know, as best I can. I'm not going to open it up, you know, to show you the singles because I'm selling the set. I put it on eBay. It's still sealed. But I found this box and this right here. This is the singles. Hot Wheels. DLB 45 956E, and since I don't know what it is, I put this on here back in 2016, Pop Culture Peanuts. So that's how I know what's in there. There's a shipping label on the other side, so we're not going to look at that. Sealed box. Someone asked if I'm going to do case unboxing videos again. Do I miss doing case unboxings? Would I do case? I probably, you know, I really don't have the interest to do case unboxing singles. You never know, you know, but right now, it's just not my thing. I don't particularly follow what's new, what's coming out. So when I do the case unboxing, I can't talk about anything because I don't particularly follow the news as far as, you know, what's new or what's not. I just don't. I'm in a different place right now. Pardon the towel. That's my eBay background. I just pushed my nice little fabric out of the way. I didn't want to get cardboard dust on it as I did the unboxing. So there are 5 vehicles. There are the 5 vehicles. If you want to pause, you're going to see them right now anyways. Oh, by the way, J27, I was curious myself if I knew were the singles made. Well, actually, that's kind of dumb. The singles have to be made first before the box set because they put it in the box set. Not necessarily. This case might not necessarily be made before because maybe there was other cases before and this is a later case. Maybe they made early cases and then they filled these. But anyways, this is a J37. A little hard to see. J37. Whatever year J was, start with 2013. Uh-oh. Hopefully it didn't damage it. The tape right there got stuck on the... Let's get that out of the way. Anyways. And it says J27 here on the base. J27, J27. That coincides. The only thing is, so 12 pieces, 5 cars. So there's going to be... somebody's going to get extras. So here we have like a funny car. This is called Rolling Thunder. I have another sample of this. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep any of these singles, to be honest with you. But to each their own. I think I have another sample of the Rolling Thunder casting. So I don't necessarily need that one. So two of the Rolling Thunders. No more. Oh yeah. The pop culture, in case you don't know, metal body, metal base, and you typically would have extra graphics. This one did not. This one, you have the sides, the top, and headlights in the front. But these are very heavy. And the wheels, people like to buy these sometimes. They want them for the wheels themselves. Red line, gold hubs, Peanuts. You have the 85 Chevy Astro van. A little bit of stripes on the top. A little bit of design. I don't know if I can say stripes. It does look like they painted the headlights, actually. It's hard to tell in the camera, but they did. Interesting. Funny car. This one opens up because I can see a pivot point right here. Does the Dodge van helicopter? I don't know if this opens up because look, there's a hinge, there's a rivet here, but there's no rivet in the front. I don't think, actually, I think this hooks right here. They take the front and they stick it right there and they put it together. One rivet. I don't think this is an opening funny car. There's the card art. I have to be more aware. Make sure I show you the card art for those. So far two Deco Delivery. Here you have not Linus, Woodstock and Snoopy. I forgot his name. I know I shouldn't have started that. Anyways, Christmassy colors, gold. But really, it's more of a winter scene. Not particularly Christmas. All of these are winter. Oh, we have an extra. 3 Deco Deliveries. Here's a look at the wheels in case you were curious. Looks like has a gold stripe on the wheels. This is a cool car. 66 Dodge A100. It's tempting. Tempting. This is a cool model. I don't know. Look, it's got a little scuff on the blister there. By the way, that box set that I showed you, I had one for the Beatles as well. So that one is listed. The Peanuts one is listed. Peanuts. And I have a Fast and Furious. No, it's not Fast and Furious. It's hard to see in there. It is Forza Motorsports. Oh, 3 of these. Yeah, I might be able to keep one. I might decide to keep that one with the scuff on the blister. Now with the Beatles, I had singles and the box sets. I don't know what's still listed. I don't know what's still available. But, whoa! I had actually done a review on the Beatles set. So I had the Beatles set where I had loose sample and carded sample. Except the loose I kept in the package. So I just turned around and I just went ahead and shipped it in the package. So technically it's loose because I opened it up. Here you go. Hello. You gotta watch out for her. Don't let her hold the football. Custom Chevy Greenbrier Sport Wagon. I have a blue version when it first came out. So I can let both of these go. I do like these wheels though. Do you like those wheels? To each their own. Wheels are very finicky, right? As far as collectors, as far as what you like. A lot of the adult premium cars right now, not a big fan of the wheels. I think, is this? Nope, 2 rivets. Interesting model. If I remember, I'll put a link to the other set that had this vehicle. When it first came out, this is not the first release where they used it. So this one, no printing on the wheels. A little hard to see. And if you want one for you, they'll be in my eBay store. If I'm going to open up this one, maybe I should go ahead and open up this one too. The Dodge A100, pretty cool model. Oh, what? Two spies? Maybe I have to make another video. I have been collecting diecast cars since 1998. On Race Grooves, I did over 200 unboxing videos over a 10-year period. You can find some of my extra cars on eBay. The information is in the description. Thanks for your support.